In this video, I'll show you how to remove profile picture on TikTok. It's going to be a full tutorial video, so make sure what I'm going to show you in this video. This video is really for educational purposes only. So go to your TikTok, click on edit. Okay, I want to tell you the truth now. You can't be able to remove your profile picture but there's something that can be able to do that's going to help you. So you can either click on this change photo and change your current profile photo here on TikTok, or you can just go to your Chrome or your browser and get the blank profile picture, right? So I'm going to change mine on TikTok now, and I'm going to show you how it's going to appear. So I'm going to do that now. I'll click on edit. I'm going to change my photo now, and I'm going to continue from where I'm going to change this now. Look, now you can see I just removed my profile picture here on TikTok. If I click on edit, so this is what it's going to show, right? Because I'm currently using the blank profile picture. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I hope you all found this video helpful. I'll see you in the very next video.